I have some amazing news to tell you. My thumb, I don't know if you can see, but I totally damaged it. Black. You can't get a good picture. It's Wednesday. I can't really even make a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm really busy today, but I'm still gonna make a video, cause that's how much I love you. You should be proud of me. I got zapped today. Profile? Wait. It's a channel. I even have mini bottles of cherry Coke. Okay, I know how Todd Lee has National Don't Cry When Your Milk Spilled Day. But this day, or tomorrow, or whatever day, every day, is a Coke day. And I just coughed. I really hate spit, so don't talk about spit. Don't show me your spit. Well, I'm just scared of spit.